You're gonna love the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle still has fewer than 150,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, hybrid, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, power steering. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.